Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are all doing awesome. In this video I'll show you how to drive a car. So first of all, learning. So here we start learning how to drive is a lot is a lot easier than it looks. It looks intimidating from the passenger seat or in films. But once you get behind the wheel and gently put your foot on the pedal, the process becomes very intuitive. Learn to take things slow in the beginning and you will be well on your way to mastering on the basic. So here we start. The first step is to getting comfortable with car's comfort and controls. Adjust adjust the seat so that your feet comfortably reach both pedals. You can adjust your seat forward or backward as well as up and down. Some cars will have electronic controls usually on the left side of the seat, while older cars will usually have a lever underneath the seat that lets you control the position of the seat, but you can usually tell the differences. The second step is to familiarize yourself with foot pedals. In an automatic car, the two foot pedals control acceleration and brake respectively. The right most pedal, which is usually smaller than the other pedal, is accelerator, and processing down on it makes the car move. The harder you press down on it, the faster can the car will move. The pedal on the left, which is usually larger than the accelerator, is the brake pedal, and pressing down on it slow down the car. Third step is adjust your car mirror so that you can see through them clearly and effectively. Your car should have three mirrors: one rear view mirror which allows you to see directly the rear windshield behind you, and two outside mirrors which let you see to either side of the car and protect you from blind spot. The fourth step is know where the parking brake, also called a handbrake, e-brake or emergency brake, is and what it does. The parking brake is a longer lever with a button on the very tip of it. When the parking brake is pulled up, it helps look lock the car into a place on the ground. The fifth step is get a feel for the gear stick, also called shift lever, gear lever, shifter, or simply the stick. The gear stick is usually positioned in between the two front seats of a car, and it controls the gearbox, park, neutral, drive, reverse. Sometimes in certain vehicles, the shift lever is on the right side of the steering wheel. The second step is understand the basic dashboard controls. This getting the basic getting the basics down. Put on your seat belt. Second is Always start your car with your foot on the brake. The third step is turn on the engine and release the parking brake if necessary. Then learn how to back your car out. If your car is parked in a car park or high or a driveway, chances are you are going to need reverse your car out in order to begin driving. Although it may seem intimidating, there are only a couple of things for you to remember. Put your car in reverse and double check if your car is not in reverse. Your car will not go backwards. Look over your shoulder and turn your head to get a good view of where you are going. The next step is when you are ready to move your car forward, come to complete stop and put the car into drive. Hold both hands on the steering wheel at 9 and 3 o'clock position. Imagine that the steering wheel is a clock. Place your left hand where the number 9 would be on a clock, and your right hand where the number 3 would be. Especially for beginners, do not try to hold the steering wheel with only one hand, because it is you are more likely to lose control of the car, which could cause an accident. So the next step is use your blinkers, also called indicator or turn signals. Your blinkers are flashing orange or red lights. Some cars have red lights as blinkers on either side of the rear of the car next to the brake lights. They are really important when driving as they let other cars. The next step is learn how to turn the car using the hand over hand. The next step is stay a healthy distance behind other cars and avoid tailgating. The third step is putting it all together, putting it all together. The first step is drive defensively. Defensively, drive defensively is a very important concept that too many drivers either take granted or don't understand. The driving defensively will help save you money. Save you money. The next step is stay in the right lanes for slower speed and the left lanes for faster speeds. The next is whenever possible pass car on the left side instead of the right side. The fourth step is abide by the speed limits. Fifth is be extremely carefully in abnormal driving conditions. The next is be cautious on the road. Seventh is have fun. Driving can be dangerous, and there sure are a lot of rules that you need to remember. But it's important to have fun while you are behind the wheel. Even while staying irresponsible, driving can be incredibly exhilarating. Just remember that the road does not belong to you alone. You should be fine. The first step is mastering advanced driving techniques. Learn how to parallel park. Parallel park is when you have to back your car into a tight parking spot, usually a very complex maneuver. There are a couple of tired and trios tricks to parallel parking,